Hey guys, it is September the 2nd, 2022, and today we're going to plant some cuttings from a desert rose. Okay, so this is the mother plant for the desert rose. We got a lot of rain and this plant got some damage from so much water, so I decided to trim it back to give it a chance to live. And as I trimmed it back, I decided to take some cuttings to try to start a few more plants. And as you can see on the mother plant, we are getting some green life and growth again. Kind of looks like a human heart right now. So these are the 5 cuttings I took from the desert rose. I've been letting them dry for about a week to give them a chance to callus over. Like the plumeria, if you saw the other video, these will suffer root rot very easily. So you want them to dry out before you actually plant them. And I've got the same soil mixture, potting soil, perlite, and black cow. You want it to drain really well. And what I'm going to do is we're going to dip these into some water, get the tips of them just a little bit wet, and then we're going to stick them in some of this take root tone and place them in the pot. I will water them very good after planting, and then let the soil nearly completely dry out before I re-water them again, just because we don't want any rot for the roots. But here we go. Like the plumeria, these cuttings need to be out of direct sunlight, and you don't need to really move the pots around to make the cuttings move, because the new root structure is very delicate and can be very easily damaged. I will hold off on watering these also for a few weeks until the soil is nearly dry. Don't want any root rot to happen. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the channel to keep up to date. I will be doing updates on the plumeria, the desert rose, have some azaleas coming in up here on the left, the baobab tree, pineapple, whole bunch of stuff. Thank you for watching.